Hello everybody and welcome to the presentation of my capstone project that I built during the last 10 days of my experience at devCodeCamp. I used a React front end and a ASP.NET Core back end to develop a crowdsourced, geolocation-based lawn care service app. Basically, it allows for people to sign up, get verified to become a lawn servicer. You can set your own prices and the services that you actually offer. And for a customer, you can sign in, see people on a map, their rating, the services that they offer, how far away they are, their service range, their name. And you can see all of that on a map. So without any further ado, I'm going to sign in as a customer. I'm going to book an appointment with somebody who is broadcasting that they are looking for work and that they are within the customer's actual service range. So I'm going to show you how that works. All right, so here we have the map, and as you can see here, there is a person there. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on it. This one is actually myself. Right now I'm 6.4 miles away, and my service range is 20 miles. So automatically I know, just looking at it, that I fall within this person's service range. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to book appointment. It's gonna bring up this information down here, and I'm going to actually book the appointment. Okay. So now I'm going to head back on over to that account to show you the differences. All right, so now here we're in the servicer landing, so there's some more tools involved with this side. This one has just a brief weather forecast of the next 8 days. So right now it looks like, this person can kind of expect at a pretty reasonably easy glance that they are not going to have probably a whole lot of clear skies to get any work done this week. But, they can see out today, 88 degrees, clear. This is a prime day to go mow some lawns. So hopefully they're getting out there today and getting the lawns mowed. But these days here, obviously, probably not going to happen. So that's why we have a button here for cancel. Say they went up to somebody's house and it was pouring rain. Obviously, it's not going to be possible for them to be able to mow. So we can just cancel the appointment if it is due to weather, inclement weather, and it's not really too big of a deal. And we also have the complete button. Once we're done with the job, we're gonna submit it for completion. It will then get sent back to the customer who originally put this in, so it'll be Jane, and then she'll be able to just give it a rating, and that will completely finish off the life cycle of that order. So right now, we're going to set working status to unavailable because I don't want to take on any more appointments, and I already have Jane in here. So just to see what other users see whenever you set your working status to unavailable, I'm going to log back in, and just like I was saying earlier, you have to have like the criteria met in order for you to be able to actually schedule an appointment. So if I actually click on myself and go to book an appointment, it will tell me, sorry, this clipper is currently not taking any appointments. Well, that's okay because I'm already getting my lawn mowed. So I'm going to log back in. I'm going to come over here, and I've just completed mowing the lawn. So I am going to, for one, I'm going to open up that I am back open for work, and I'm going to complete this out. now I'm going to log back in, and now we'll see this appointment has been completed. Rated. Was it good or was it bad? I don't believe necessarily in the 5-point rating system, so this is just going to a 5 and a 0 basically. Um, so I think that he did a pretty good job. So I'm gonna give him a good. All right. Now the rating before was a 3 out of 5. Let's see if that was enough to bump back up to a 4. It wasn't. So it's not really too big of a deal. I was just hoping that would actually change. Yeah. So that pretty much wraps it up. Um, this project is on my GitHub right now. If you would like to tinker with it yourself, there's some other features that you could maybe delve a little bit more into, but I think I got the bulk of what I've accomplished here. Um, Obviously, the gist of the uh, the main points of the project were laid out. So yeah, I really enjoyed this project. This was a ton of fun for me. I learned a lot about myself. I learned a lot about different technologies during it. React, definitely got a lot more comfortable with that. Different APIs. This was the most API intensive project that I'd built yet, so this was a whole lot of fun for me. Um, and I hope that you enjoyed it as well.